Welcome to the Al-Dirassa YouTube channel, dedicated to teaching the Arabic language, the Holy Quran, and Islamic studies.
Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will discuss an important topic in the science of Tajweed, which is the characteristics of letters. We will explore how these characteristics affect the pronunciation of letters and their impact on reciting the Quran correctly. Part 1. Voiced and voiceless. Voiced letters are pronounced with strength, such as
ألف باء جيم دال
voiceless letters are pronounced softly, such as
فاء حاء سين.
Part 2. Strong and weak. Strong letters are pronounced with pressure, such as
باء جيم دال قاف
weak letters are pronounced more gently, such as
ميم نون لام.
Part 3. Emphasis and non-emphasis. Emphatic letters are pronounced with pressure in the mouth, such as
ضاد صاد طاء
non-emphatic letters are pronounced without pressure, such as
عين غين.
Part 4. Heightened and lowered. Heightened letters are pronounced higher in the throat, such as
خاء غين قاف.
lowered letters are pronounced at the level of the mouth, such as
باء ميم نون.
Incidental characteristics are those that appear under specific circumstances, such as lengthening, al-med. This is added to some letters. Emphasis and softness. This affects the pronunciation of certain letters in specific words.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Also, visit our website www.aldirassa.com to learn more about the Arabic language and Islamic studies.